Right. Hi, my name is Jackie. I work as a fostering panel coordinator for fostering service in Carmarthenshire. My job entails, from the start, recruiting foster carers and taking them on their different stages through to panel where they're approved. I love working in the recruitment team. I've worked with the recruitment team for the last 12 years and I find the job very fulfilling. As part of my role, I work with new people who are applying to foster, and it's lovely to meet them and hear their ideals of what they wish to do as a foster carer, and also the skills they'll need to work with children with the trauma they come with. The work of the assessors means they have to go through an assessment for very in-depth to get everything known about them, and it can be long and laborious, but in the end it's worth it because we need to know that our children are well cared for and that the people who apply to foster are indeed suitable to foster. I've worked for Carmarthenshire for 21 years and I started as an admin for the childcare team and then progressed on a secondment to the recruitment team where I've been ever since, and it's as if I found my niche. It's something I really enjoy doing, and I've tried to move away from it as part of the fostering panel role, but I always seem to gravitate back to recruitment because I enjoy it so much. And all the team are lovely to work with, we all get on quite well, and there's a lot of interaction between us at events which we all enjoy, with foster carers and with new applicants and people who wish to foster.